Hello friends, and welcome back to Meshi TV, and welcome to another plan with me. Today, a little late, but that's okay. We are going to be planning in my hourly layout of the Erin Condren Life Planner for the week of May 4th to May 10th. So let the fun and the festivities begin. If you are brand new to my channel, well, welcome. I'm so glad that you are here. We usually chat a few times a week on this channel, so consider subscribing if you haven't already. We talk about anything and everything, planning and spiritual practices, and just ultimately how we can live a more intentional life. So if that sounds good, I think you're going to absolutely love it here. Okay, why don't we just dive right in, shall we? The first thing that I would like to do, which I don't think that you guys even seen me do, I'm going to just light up my candle, which I always kind of forget to do at the beginning of my videos. There we go. If any of you are wondering, this is a wooden wick candle that I usually use. So if it ends up crackling throughout the video, then you'll know why. Okay, looks like we're good to go. So I was a little puzzled, and I know that we're a little bit late with not only uploading this video, but just really getting it out there. And honestly, I was hoping that by this point I would have received my new order with the new life planner so we can actually start moving into it. But as of right now, we're still waiting. We're still on the point where they haven't even shipped it out. So for those of you that have received your order, congratulations. Okay, why don't we begin with, I'm going to white out at least the days. And hopefully you guys are getting ready for Mother's Day. It's this Sunday. Get it together, seriously. Let's pick this green. Teal, whatever. Ooh, much nicer. I like that. Lovely. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, see, like that looks really nice to me. Let's start adding on the sidebar. I was thinking that we can add, I had this little habit tracker thing that I got. This was in the mom kit from the Happy Planner. No, you know what? I will come back to this. I always kind of change my mind on the sidebars, so we will return back to that momentarily. Let's add the washi. So for washi, I was thinking that I could use, maybe we can use this one. This is still the Jane Davenport kit, and I thought that this looked really nice. Perhaps we can add just a splash of color right here. We'll do the whiter one in the bottom. I was thinking that maybe in the bottom we can use the girls. It's a little bit thicker than what I would like, but I think it will still look really pretty if we can get it going. Look at us make headway when we stop overthinking things. Hooray, hooray for that. Now, I picked a few stickers already, so why don't we just lay them down? The quote that I picked is actually, it says, "He seeks beauty. He who seeks beauty will find it." This is from Bill Cunningham. And I thought that it was fitting, and isn't it nice that I actually picked a green one? Let me just white out a little part of this hexagon. Totally crooked, but that's okay. I can find a way to live with it. Let's get you guys zoomed in, actually. Now the other thing is that I also have like these tiny little trackers, so why don't we put these down here? Beautiful. And then I wanted to use this Color Your World with Kindness that we can use usually like around the weekend. Every time I think my placement is good, then it's not good.
To think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out, even after all of these years.
But I wanted to add this massive notes section, maybe down here, almost like a weekly reflection, you know what I mean?
We have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, 'cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out, even after all of these years. You still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but
So this is as far as I have made it for the time being. This is essentially the before the pen, although I did want it to kind of write down just here under the notes section the weekly reflection of what worked and what worked to you. So in the bottom, I like that the growing this week. So I'm going to add like little boxes. I'm thinking maybe we can just use these single little quarter boxes that we can kind of lay over the ladies. You know what? We can probably even use this size. But let's make all of them different and add them at like different spots. Just so that they're not all the same. I don't want to cover her. There we go. Oh, that's like one. I thought that this is, did that not look like 3 different stickers to you? Totally did for me. Okay, I think I'm going to leave this as is for now, for the time being. I'm sure that I will continue on as I go. As of right now, you guys, just in case you're wondering, I have not done anything with May. I will decorate it and we'll have fun with it. I don't think that I will film it unless you guys want me to. Just let me know in the comments if you're interested. And so thus far, nothing really has happened here. I usually use the very last page here as sort of a reflection page, and then this is essentially the week before, which I think that you would have seen this video up on my channel. But I'm trying to just sort of steer away from, you know, keeping it this busy. I like it, but I don't like it. You know what I mean? I want to see if I can get moving on, like giving it more of a cleaner look. I like this week. This week was really nice. It was really nicely color coordinated. And then this is when I set up April, which was great. But this is as far as I got right now. This is last week's spread. I didn't post it because honestly, I did this right after I placed my order, and by the time I sat down to even plan anything, then it was literally just, it just didn't feel right. So that's why you didn't really see any updates from me. But this is all I got for you guys. Let me know if you, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you have, you already know what to do. I think that before I post this, after the pen, I might just do like a little close-up so you guys can take a look. But this is all I got for you guys. I hope that you have enjoyed it. I hope you guys are keeping safe and keeping well and healthy and strong. And if you enjoyed it, obviously just give me a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye.
Years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life.